फिर क्या से होगी?
はい、皆さん、おはようございます。
おはようございます。
はい。
おはようございます。
おはようございます。kundanさんです。
はい、
kundanです。kundanさん。
大丈夫。はい、皆さん、おはようございます。今から、CD を弾きましょう。少し、ちょっと、1分とか2分ぐらい CD を聴きましょう。1 to 2 minutes we will listen to the track, the CD. Till then, everybody will join in. Now here they are telling something about the accent. Now there are basically two accents that are Tokyo accent and Osaka accent. If you go somewhere around Osaka, you will find people speaking in that accent. Like as in we have these accents, different accents in India also. Maharashtra accent, like you say Kolhapur accent, you say Mumbai accent. So these intonations differ. So the way you speak, the wordings that you use, um, so these differ in different accents. So they have Osaka and Tokyo accent. So what we are learning now, that is a standard Tokyo accent. So throughout your Japanese learning, you will be learning Tokyo accent. Osaka accent differs a lot. I mean, if they want to say honto desu ka means really. In Osaka accent, they will say honma. So it's little different, and it will take time. If you want to learn Osaka accent, it will take time. Firstly, you have to learn the Tokyo accent and what words we say in the Tokyo accent that are important. Generally, it doesn't matter, even if while working situations, what happens if at all you are not able to understand that person's Osaka accent, he's from Osaka and he's using that accent, you may ask him to clarify and chotto wakarimasen ga moichido hanashite kudasai. So he will explain you what he said. So that doesn't matter actually. They know the Tokyo accent as well most of the times. Okay, so this was something new about the two accents. So slowly when we go little further, I will show you a website wherein the differences between accent are seen. So Tokyo accent, the person is saying that dialogue, and another video, same dialogue, he's saying in Osaka accent. Hi. 今からカタカナ続けましょうね。カタカナ続けましょう。続けましょうって何ですか？続ける。That is, now how to find out the words. I will show you. Everybody has Jisho. So whatever word I say, you can just type it. Suzukeru. Initially, I will have to tell you what the entire word is. You will not be able to find out the root form. Okay, it will take time to find out the root form. So Suzukeru, then you have to search it. Okay, so when this zoo you want, Tachitsu teto, that su I have put tenten. You have to type ZDU. So when you type ZDU, you get this zoo. So Tsuzu. Right. Suzukeru is to continue when we continue something. Right? So katakana o Suzukeru, Suzukemasu. Ne? All right. So Aiyo kaki kukeko sashi suseso. Somebody had sent me, 2 to 3 people had sent me the photographs of these katakana letters. So they are okay. And shall we go ahead with the Ta series? Hi, minasan Ta series hajimemashou ka?
Hi.
Hi, chotto Yes. Anybody asked anything?
नेटवर्क नहीं है भाई, नेटवर्क बोले तो वो नहीं, कवरेज नहीं है। ऐप डाउनलोडेड है, ऐप डाउनलोडेड है क्या?
Is this Tanvi? So ima ta kara hajimemashou. So please write down further. Ta desu ne. So first standing line, then this like a 7, and then the small line. So 1, 2, 3. Yes. Ta desu ne. Hi. Ta. Generally it is tha, because whenever you use ka and ta, the starting is with these letters. It is tha and it is kha. So if I want to say Thailand, Thailand will not be Thai, it will be Thai. Thai this. Hai, takakimashita ka minasan? Sugi no chi shimashou ka? Hai, shimashou ka? Sugi wa chi. So it starts from here, from right side, it's coming down to the left side. So first, second, third. Mochido. 1, 2, 3. So you can see these both strokes are opposite. This stroke is going from right to left and this is coming from left to right. So please pay attention while making these. If you make this also from left to right, this also from left to right, it will go wrong. Okay. So from starting itself, your stroke orders should be correct. When we also learn ABCD, what happens if we are drawing it wrongly? Slanting line of A, the right side we are drawing first, left side we are drawing second. So the alphabet will look somewhere or the other different, and it's a wrong practice. So from hiragana, katakana itself, strokes should be correct. They will help us for kanjis. Kanjis, the strokes are left to right, top to bottom. So these rules are there. So your rules are then by that time they are fixed. You will not go wrong in following the stroke orders of the kanjis. Hi. Chi made owarimashita ka? Everybody, is it okay? I'm showing on the screen like this. Is it okay?
Hi.
Hi, Rajabune. Okay. Hi. Chi no ato wa su desu. So again in su, what is happening? The left line, the dotted line, that should be first, then the right line, and then this bigger line. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, it looks like a smiley face and eyes. So that way you can identify how is Tsu. Yeah, Tsu is a smiley face. So that way you can make your own words about that letter. So there is one more letter that resembles this. So you have to pay attention for that. So, hi, Kureva, Tsu this, ne? Tsu. はい。すたちす。その後はて。So te, top line, bottom line, and then the vertical line. It should be little curved. It will not be straight. Ta, chi, su, te. はい、次はSo the vertical line, my line has not come straight, but they should be straight. They should be straight. And then like this, a branch of a tree. So it's like this. So this, ne? So let's see all of these in Jisho. So again from starting, ta, chi, su, te, and next is to. Hi, so ta, chi, su, te, to. これまで皆さん書きましたか？皆さん書きましたか？ That means, have you all wrote? Have all of you written?
はい。はい。
はい。
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 はい、書きました。You can say はい、書きました。
はい、書きました。
はい。立ちつてと。次はどの言葉ですか？赤さたな、なですね。たシリーズが終わりました。今、なシリーズ書きましょうか？な、に、ぬ、ね、の。それを書きましょうか、皆さん。At least you are understanding what I'm saying. So I'm talking about the hiraganas. 書きましょうか。Now, ましょうか means shall we. Shall we write? このようです。Like that. このよう is like that. Like this. Okay. And 書きました is this mashta comes when it is past, right? Mas, masen, mashta, masen, dishta. Everybody remembers? So, mashta ne, it's already over. So, minasan kakimashita ka? Tajitsu te to kakimashita ka? You said hi, kakimashita. Ima, na series kakimashou ka? You want to say yes, we will write. So, you would say hi, kakimashou. Masho, the answer will be also masho. Question is in masho, answer is in also masho. Hi, kakimashou. Hi, 書きましょうね。
はい、書きましょう。
書きましょう。
Mushroom.
はい。それはなです。 So na. If needed, we'll see the Jisho. So again, for na also, sleeping line first and then the standing line. Generally what we do, we have the practice of making the standing line first, but this is the other way around. So sleeping line and then standing line. Sugiva, ni. Now some katakana letters, they are also kanjis. Now this is a kanji of ni also. When I want to say 2, so it's a kanji. 3, it is also a kanji. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, all of these are kanjis, but some limited letters are, they are katakana also. Now, for example, you see this ha. Ha is hachi. Hachi means?
8.
8. So this same kanji is there for hachi. All right. So we are on to na and then ni. Sugiva, nu. So like a 7, and then you have to make a slanting line going opposite. So Suriva, nu this. 1, 2, 2 strokes. Hi. So now ni, nu, Sugiva, ne. Again, most of the times what happens while writing this ne, you are able to write this top part, then this like a 7, and then this, and then in between the middle line. So what happens, this you tend to draw at the end. So 1, 2, and this comes at the end. But what they are doing here, they are doing from left to right, right? So left side, middle, and then right. Ne. Hai, ne ga owarimashita ka minasan? Ne kakimashita ka minasan?
はい、書きました。
Was everybody able to draw ne?
書きました。
はい。So na, ni, nu, ne. 次は no ですね。Very simple, just a line. From top it is starting and it's coming down. One line, that is no. If you want to say notebook, you would say this, no hyphen to. Hyphen plays a very important part in this. Okay, just a minute. So na, ni, nu, ne, no. So we have done from ta, chi, tsu, te, to, till nani no ne no. You want to take one more series or what to do? Hi, hahi hu he ho mo shimashou ka? Or shall we
Hi.
do something else? Minasan do omoimasu ka? What do you think? Shall we take one more series that is 15 letters or shall we stop with the letters and we'll go to the lesson? Nani o shimashou ka? If you're able to write, it's fine. Not all are able to write. They are busy in the work. So 15 letters is somewhere or the other too much for them. If you say we will stop and we will continue with the next class for the letters and we'll go back to the lesson. What shall we do, everybody? Nani,
We'll
oh,
do the
Shiva.
lesson, ma'am.
We'll do the lesson. Hi, Rajobu. Okay. So, yes. Okay, so this PDF is actually having all 50 lessons. In the textbook, if you see, it is having all 50 lessons. So we don't have those lessons. We just have 25 lessons for N5 and that other portion is for N4. Only this is the grammatical notes we have got till 25 lesson. Okay. So we are starting with the new lesson today, Dainika. Seva, Dainika this. Now, we have already done the grammar of this lesson. As in, the grammar was what I had explained in the starting. So it was kore sore are. When do we use kore sore are? I think everybody is aware of that. If not, kore sore are, that is a demonstrative. These are demonstrative pronouns that in English we use this, that over there, right? Marathi we use ithe, tithe, tya, tithe. Hindi we use yaha, waha, wo, wahan pe. So like that, they are using kore sore are. So kore sore are is for things. Kono sono ano is for things, places, people. There should be a noun after that kono sono ano, ne? Koko soko asoko, always a place or your thing is located at that place. My phone is there. So watashi no ketai wa asoko desu. Otherwise, koko wa daidokoro desu. This is a kitchen. Soko wa kissaten desu. That is a coffee shop. Koko soko asoko. And same to koko soko asoko, that was kochira sochira achira. So this part we have done. In case you have any doubts in this, please ask me, because I don't know whether in Varat San's class you have completed Koso Adu or not. I have to check. Okay, so those who are with Varat Sensei, please let me know if you have not done this. So this is Kore Sore Are, Kono Sono Ano. Then again they show the places as in, now he's the speaker. The bag is nearer to him, he will say Kore ne. It's very nearer. If the bag would have been over here you can see in the next situation, he would say Sore. And if they both are together and that bag is there far away, not close to both of them, it will be Are. Okay, this ka. So the grammar, particle ka, particle no, we have already completed. So this ka. Okay, now what is so this ka? Suppose I tell you, kyo wa itenki desu ne? Kyo wa itenki desu ne? Today the weather is good, isn't it? You want to say, yes, it is. It's certainly good. You will say, so desu ne. So desu ne. Okay, now if you, if I ask something like, kyo no tenki wa dou desu ka? How is the weather today? Ii desu. So tenki wa ii desu. Then again I say, so desu ka? Is it? So desu ka means, is it? It's a rising intonation. So whenever they say so desu ka, it's a rising intonation. So this word would be coming more often. So desu ne, so desu ka. So ne and ka makes the difference in this word. Hi. So ima kara. So kotoba. Kotoba wa nan desu ka? Kotoba is this vocabulary. So vocabulary is called as kotoba. It is also called as goi. Goi. You have the paper of Moji Goi. When you give the exam, there is a paper of Moji Goi. So we are going to do this Goi, then the lesson. Lesson number 1, lot of things are pending, but we are waiting for katakana to get completed, and then we can switch to the Mondai, the Renshubi, etc. And I'll tell you what the Shukudai you have to do from the textbook. Imakara, yomi hajime mashou ka. Would anybody try reading for the first time? If I tell you the words, that will kind of be let's see how many of you can identify these words. Anybody? Darika, imasu ka? Just 3. So one person will say these 3, second person will say these 3, maybe these 3, the third person would say. Not the katakana ones, just hiragana. Would anybody try?
Kore,
Hi, Akhilesh-san. Kore desu. Hi.
Kore Sore
Hi.
Are.
Hi. You know the difference between kore, sore, are. This, that over there. It is always a thing, huh? Please remember that. It is never ever a person. Tatoeba, for example. Kore wa Akhilesh-san this. This is Mr. Akhilesh. I cannot say kore to him. I can say koko, I can say kochira. Because he's standing over here. I'm saying I'm denoting the place. So, koko wa, kochira wa Akhilesh-san this. Kore wa okay this. This sentence is okay. Kore wa okay this. Kore wa daijobu this. So, kore sore are ne. Hai, tsugi wa. Dare ga imasu ka? These 3. Dare ga imasu ka? Who will say? Imasu is to say. Dare ga imasu?
Kono,
Hi.
kono, sono, ano.
Hi. Again, after kono, there should be a noun compulsory. Otherwise, it will go wrong. Kono hito, kono daidokoro, kono eki, sono kissaten. So, after that, kono, sono, ano demonstrative pronoun, there should be a noun. It can be a person, it can be a place, it can be a thing. Ne? Hi. Tsugi wa 1, 2, 3, 4. Dare ga imasu ka? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hi.
Hon,
Hi.
Jisho,
Oh, hi.
Zashi,
Hi.
and Shinbun.
Hi. This name. Okay. Only this is Hon. Hon this name. Hi. Hon. So Hon has a kanji also. Jisho has a kanji. Zashi kanji we don't have. So wherever you see complicated kanjis, just forget that. It's not there in the syllabus. Later on you would need it. So Zashi is not needed. Shimbun. Yes, Shimbun is important. Huh? It looks difficult, but it's simple. Once you come to know how to follow the logic, it's easy. Shimbun. Okay. So Hon is a book. Jisho, the Jisho that we use in the computer, that is also Jisho. It's an electronic Jisho actually, then Denshi Jisho. Earlier we used to get these electronic Jishos. Now they are not at all available because most of the times we use the apps. So hi, Denshi Jisho is also there. Otherwise normal, the book Jishos that you use, that is a Jisho. It is also called a Jibiki. It is also called Jiten. So different words are there. Jiten, Jibiki, Jisho. So give a Zashi. Zashi is nothing but magazine. It can be an automobile magazine, a film magazine. So any kind of magazine is Zashi. Shimbun. Shimbun. Okay, so you hear something new just for your information. It's very early rather. This means new. So some Kundan-san must be knowing. This is Atarashi. Okay, Atarashi. The kanji is read as Atarashi. And another reading it has Shin. So that is why the Shin has come. And Bun is Kiku, to listen something. So new, you listen something new, that is a news. And that is a newspaper. So Shimbun. Hi. So give a noto this, katakana de ne? Noto. Hyphen plays a very important part. So once we complete the katakana, I'll explain you the rules of katakana, how to put this hyphen, where to put it, and how to build up your words. Because not all words are there, right? Now your names are not there with them in katakana. They are not already written with the Japanese people. So you have to make your name properly following these rules, and then you have to tell them, "Watashi no namae wa Sejaru desu." Okay, like that. So noto desu ne. Tsugi wa hai, dare desu ka? 1, 2, hai. Futatsu dake. Only two. Two of these. Dare desu ka?
Teshi o
Techo.
Teshi Tesho.
Techo. Hai. Sori wa chi
Or
desu ne. Hai. Hai. Tsugi.
second one
Hai.
Meishi. Meishi.
Okay. Now what happens in Meishi? It will not be spelled as Meishi, it will be Meishi. You remember Toke, Sensei? What was happening? You were writing E, but you are pronouncing A, ne? Sensei. Was it Sensei? Was it Gakusei? Nine, ne? So remember Meishi this. So this will be Meishi. And this will be Techo. Again, this O is prolonged. You follow this rule. Techo. So it's a prolonged word and it's having U. O is prolonged. You say O, but you write U. Techo. Hi, arigato. Tsugi wa kado. Card. Any kind of card. Telephone card, it can be a greeting card, it can be. So any kind of card is kado. Again, the rule we will come to know later. Hi, tsugi wa telephone kado. So telephone card, that the calling card you put, that is a telephone kado. Te, we have done te, right? Re, fo, this we are yet to do. Ka also we have done. And then do. This to became do when we put a ten. The rules are same for hiragana, katakana. Hi. Okay, I'll say these two words, then one person can say this word and the remaining words. Hi. Kore wa boru pen. Boru pen. Ball pen. Shapu penshiru. Shapu penshiru. So it's a mechanical pencil actually. So shapu penshiru. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Dare ga iimasu ka? Hai, koko kara. 1. Hai, dare ga iimasu ka? Who will try? Koreba. Kantan this, ne? There is D. This is P. This is P. Yes.
Empitsu.
Empitsu. Hi, Empitsu. So it is Empitsu. Even if you write in Romaji ENPITSU, so it will not be Enpitsu. It will be Empitsu. More pronunciation is there for this Empitsu, ne? Hi. This we have been using Empitsu word from long time now. So hi. Kanji is not important, not there in our syllabus. Forget this kanji. Hi, Tsugiwa. Hi. You can continue. Hi.
What will we pronounce this word?
Okay. First is Ka. Okay. First Ka is coming. So Ka will be pronounced as Khane. Khane. Hi. Kha desne. Sugino koto banan desu ka? What is this G? What is this letter? G is a letter, alphabet. It's key. When you put a ten to key, what happens? It turns into
Kagi.
gi. Hi, hi. Kagi desu ne. Kagi. Kagi. Hi. So the keys of the house. So these are all kagi. They are kagi. Hi, Tsugi.
Tokei.
Hi. Is it Tokei? It's
Tokei.
Tokei. Hi. Tokei desu ne. Hi. Hi, Tsugi.
Kasa. Kasa.
Khasa. Very good. Okay. They have Kha. They don't have K. So Kha pronunciation will be there. Khasa. Khasa. Hi. Tsugi.
Khaban.
Will it be Khaban or Khaban?
Kaban.
Khaban. Okay. That A pronunciation will
okay.
be there. Hi. So you see, you related to vowels. A, I, U, A, O. It's not A, I, U, A, O, right? So A, I, U, A, O. All prolonged. Prolonged as in वरचे स्वर आहेत. वरचे स्वर. How do we say this in English? All A, I, U, A, O. Okay. So Khaban this I would say. So kasetto tepu. Cassette tape. So since this book has been printed long back, so the cassette word is there. So kasetto tepu. Tepu recorder. Tape recorder. Terebi television. Radio radio. Camera camera. Computer. Jidosha automobile or a car, any kind of a vehicle, that is a jidosha. Okay. Now something that the word auto is actually jido. Something you want to say automatically, so it is jidoteki. So that jido word comes. So jido sha is, this is a wagon. So whenever there is a car, a wagon, a vehicle, this kanji comes and sha word comes. So the car that works on all automations, that is a jidosha this. Hi. Tsugiwa. Okay, I'll read this and this of katakana. Chocoreto. Chocolate will be chocoreto. Coffee will be koi. Do we have fi in katakana? Hiragana also, do we have fi? Fi, fa, fi, fu, fe, fo. Do you have that?
E.
We have ha, hi, hu, he, ho. And when I want to say fu, I can convert that hu into fu, right? But I don't have this fi. How to make fi? So hence they make it he. Kohi. Whenever hyphen is there, it is prolonged. Kohi. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Dare ga iimasu ka? This first, second, third, and fourth. Who will say the words? Where they moi this? Anybody is okay. You can just start your mic and start saying
Sukue.
sukue. Hi. Sukue, this su. Right? If you say sukue, it will have that su, right? This wala su. This su it will have. So it has to be Nani?
Sakue.
Su. Sukue. It's difficult. For the
Sukue.
starting, it's difficult, but you'll get used to it. Sukue, ne? Sukue. Hi. Tsugi wa?
Itsu.
Moichido, once again.
Itsu.
Isu. Simple. Isu.
Itsu.
Huh? Do not
Okay.
wait in between. Isu or not needed. Isu. Hi. Tsugi? Kore?
Eigu.
Ego. Hi. Ego. Sensei. Toke. Ego. Ne? Hi. Tsugi? Kore?
Nihonku.
Nihongo.
Nihongo. Hi.
Nihongo.
Nihongo. Gagi guge go. So that tenten has come and it has turned into gagi guge go. So go. Nihongo. Nihongo. Do not say like that. This no is not very clearly said. Nihongo janai. Sirva Nihongo. Okay. Then this is nani nani go. So for this line, you can say nani nani all the time. So nani nani go. Any language, if I want to say French language, it will be Furansu go. German language, Deutschu go. Hindi language, Hindei go. Marathi language, Marathei go. Okay, whatever the word and then that go. When go comes in the suffix, it is a language. This is the kanji. It is there. We have this kanji. Okay. Yes. Anybody else? So you can say 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of these words.
Nang.
None. Hi. Hi.
Nan.
None. Hi. Tsugi? Nan no ato ba? Kono kotoba wa nan desu ka? Kore nan desu ka?
So.
So, hi. Aso, taso in Marathi. So they have given so in English, but okay. So desu ka? Is it like that? So, okay. Hi, Tsugi wa? So,
So.
not getting it?
So. J.
Sorry, but they, ne? If you want me to
Desu. So
Desu.
they. This.
And then ka.
Ka.
So this ka.
Oh, so this ka.
Asa ahe ka. Is it like that? You have a question, that that person is giving you some information. You don't know anything about it. Is it? So this ka. So this ka. So they have given, is that so? Yes. So that is that so? Hi. Tsugi no kotoba? Kore nan desu ka? Did we?
Ano.
Ano. Hi. Ano. So O is there? You're prolonging it. Ano. Because we already have kono, sono, ano also, right? So that ano is different and this ano is different. In what ways? In what context it is different? Anybody? Kono, sono, ano wala ano and this ano. What is the difference? That ano is just showing you that place, right? Anohito adare desu ka? I asked, who is that person over there? Anohito ne? Anohito.
Is
Simple.
noun.
Ano.
Yeah.
Huh. So kono so ano, that is a demonstrative. And here what it is turning into ano is, now when you want to speak to somebody, a little bit of hesitation you have whether I should disturb that person or not. But you ask him, ano, sumimasen ga, can I use your telephone please? Ano, then bao tsukaimasu ka? So before saying that sentence, that request sentence you want to say, before that you say ano, zara. We say in Marathi or Hindi, we say zara. क्या मैं जरा ये यूज कर सकता हूँ आपका टेलीफोन? So तुमचा फोन जरा मी वापरू शकते का? So little bit of hesitation you have, and then you use this ano in the beginning of the sentence. Ano. If I'm walking on the road and I'm confused where to go now, I just ask somebody ki, where is the railway station? Ano, eki wa doko desu ka? Ano, hai, kore wa ano desu. Okay, did we miss this chigaimasu? Did we miss this word? No, no.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi, hi.
We missed it. Okay. So that is chigaimasu. Chigaimasu is to differ. Chigau is to differ actually. If you want to write it down. Chigau is to differ. Vegra asane. So here they say, no, it's not that. So suppose I asked you all, Kyo wa nichiyobi desu ne? Or yes, I asked you, is it Sunday today? Kyo wa nichiyobi desu ne? You told me, no, sensei, it's not nichiyobi today. It's kinyobi. It's Friday. Ie chigaimasu. So you all said to me, yes, sensei, chigaimasu. No, it's not that. So no, it isn't. So what you are saying, that is not true. Ie chigaimasu. Okay. So generally, ie and chigaimasu, they come together. Ie chigaimasu. And then what is the actual information you give that? So sorry, chigaimasu desu ne. Okay. All right, Getsuyobi Kayobi, we'll do a revision because the newcomers don't know about Getsuyobi Kayobi. We all know. All right. So, ano you have understood. So, Giva, one no kimochi, a token of my gratitude. Now, if you have newly shifted to Japan and there is a neighbor, a Japanese neighbor, you just want to get acquainted with him, what you'll do, you'll give him some gift and you'll just start getting to know, getting acquainted with him, right? So in the beginning, when you give your gift, a token of your gratitude, so that way they say this, kore honno kimochi desu, honno kimochi desu, just to have good relations, good neighborhood in the future. This is something I want to give you. That is honno kimochi. Okay, this guy, it's polite. It's polite because you're meeting the person in the beginning, right? Just introducing, and then you give this. He may also give. A Japanese person will always bring something or the other. They will not come empty-handed. So yeah, we also follow this most of the times. So these Japanese people will never go empty-handed. They always bring some tabemono, eatables, some small things, but they bring it without fail. So this is the custom they follow. And hence, when we would also start meeting them, we would also try to do that. We also do this, right? So yes, honno kimochi desu. Honno kimochi, again the same word. Dozo. Dozo is when you give something. I'm giving you the gift. I'm saying dozo, please take. Please take. That is dozo. Ne? Okay. Okay. Now domo. What is domo? You know domo is used with domo arigato gozaimasu. Ne? Domo arigato gozaimasu. So thank you very, very much. This is very polite. So domo arigato gozaimasu. You can just say arigato also. Arigato gozaimasu also. Okay. So giva. There are some words of kaiwa. So korekara osewani narimasu. This word is a very favorite word when you start writing emails and everything. Itsumo osewani narimasu. So you're sending a mail to your client. You say that you always give us a chance to help you out, to serve you, to assist you. And then further you talk about your matter. So itsugo osewani narimasu. Seva is nothing. Seva is help. The same word that we use here. Seva. Okay. So kurikara osewani narimasu. So now in the book it is like Santosu has newly come to Japan and now he's getting acquainted with his new neighbor. And then what he expects from his new neighbor to be of help in the future, and he would also help him, obviously. So we would be of help to each other in the future. So kurikara osewani narimasu. Again, it is a very polite word. Yeah, very polite word. Yes. So if you help somebody, if you assist somebody, and then that person has to thank you as a matter of gratitude, he would say that osewani taihen osewani narimashita, arigato gozaimasu. So this is the word that they use. Taihen osewani narimashita. Okay. So osewani narimasu. I hope for your kind assistance thereafter. Hatsugiwa kochira koso yoroshiku. You remember kochira koso? That is same year. Same year. Yoroshiku is pleased to meet you, right? Please be nice to me. So that Japanese person is also saying, yes, I also feel the same. We should be of good help to each other. We should share a good neighborhood. So kochira koso yoroshiku. You can include this in your jiko shokai ne. Somebody started his jiko shokai. Watashi wa nani nani desu. Dozo yoroshiku. You would also say to him, kochira koso yoroshiku. Watashi wa nani nani desu. Wakarimashita ka, minasan?
Hai, wakarimashita.
Okay. So these are some family names. Now this is a reference words and information. A lot of good information is there, as in how to write your addresses. If you notice, the Japanese addresses are a little bit inverted. So yes, that is a good thing you can come to know. Jido Hambaiki. So some concepts there are very unique. So that have been included into this reference words and information. So you can go through each of the reference words and information after the lesson. So here all the common names are given. Sato, Suzuki. We don't have to do anything with the kanjis as such because we are going to have the reading throughout the N5. वरचं reading मिळणार आहे आपल्याला हिरागाना वरती लिहिलेलं. Do not worry, but you get an idea of what these names are, how they are spelled. Yamada, Kobayashi, Watanabe. Kono yo desu. Okay. Now this is something about the meishi. Now when you exchange your meishi, your business cards. Okay, so one day I'll tell you about this also. Hi. So kore soreare kono sono ano so desu ka? Kore ga owarimashita ne. Sorede ima kara hon o yomi hajimemashou. Little bit we'll do today, not much. Can you all say from 1 to 10? All of you? Possible?
Hai.
Okay.
Let's start.
From 1 to 10. Shall we
Ichi.
start?
Yes.
Hi, dozo.
Ichi. Sorry.
Ichi, ni,
Ni, san,
san,
yon,
shi, yon,
go,
go,
roku,
roku,
nana,
ichi,
Okay.
shichi, hachi, kyu,
hachi,
jo,
kyo, ju.
All right. Okay. Kundan san and Akhilesh san said. What about others? Anybody would try?
Ma'am,
Hi.
ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyo, jiu.
Okay. Q, Ju. Okay. Days of the week. Does everybody know days of the week? Those who are with me, I think we have done, right? Jitsuyobi, Kayobi, Suyobi, ne?
hai.
Hi. Others, okay, so those who know, you can start with that. I will give you days of the week on the group so that others can write it down. Hi. Shall we start?
Hi.
Yes.
Hi, Guzo.
Getsuyobi, Kayobi,
Khayobi,
Suiyobi,
Yubi,
Mokuyobi,
Mokuyobi,
Kinyobi,
Inyobi, Doyobi, Doyobi,
Nichiyobi.
Nichiyobi.
Okay, this. Okay. So I will send it in hiragana today. Getsuyobi, Khayobi. Those who don't have, please write it down later. Hi. Ima, kore o yomi hajimemashou ka. Wherever katakana is coming, I will help you out. Hi. Dai ni ka. Dai ni ka. Lesson number 2. So English, it will not go lesson number 2 exactly, word to word. Dhada dusra. Dhada dusra. Okay, so that is dainika. Bunke. Bunke is sentence styles or sentence patterns. So these are the patterns that we have learnt in this lesson. Then there is re bun. Re means example. Bun is again a sentence, right? So example sentence already made in the book. So we are going to read bunke re bun. Okay, those who have yet not spoken anything. Yes. Who will say the first sentence? Shruti, will you start the first sentence? Shruti-san, imasu ka?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi.
Koreva Shishyo this.
Okay, that is Jisho. Hi.
Jisho this.
Okay. So Eva be this, Koreva Jisho this. Was it simple? Sentence was simple. You know the sentence. This is a dictionary. Hi. Eva be this. Okay. Over here, this is computer. Shambhavi-san, can you say Niban?
はい。これはコンピューターの本です。
Hi. Can you explain me the meaning, the translation?
This is a computer book or textbook.
Okay. So this is a computer book. Computer चं पुस्तक आहे. Hi. Okay. Samban. Prajwal-san, imasu ka? Samban. Hi. What about Shrutika-san? Shrutika-san has not yet said anything. Shrutika-san and Shruti-san are different, right? I cannot see Shrutika now. Okay, Harsh-san. Samban, imasu ka?
Ma'am, second or third? Third,
one.
okay.
Third, yes.
Sureva. Sureva Retashino.
Watashi no.
Cast. Watashino cast this.
This is ka?
Khas this.
Khasa ne? Khasa.
Khatane.
Hi. So, Koreva
Okay.
watashi no kasa desu.
Khatane this.
Koreva watashi no kasa desu. What you do, you write this bunke and rebun one time, the sentences. Wherever this katakana word is coming, na, you just write computa, Komputa in English. Okay. But other things you write down. And wherever kanji is coming, neglect that kanji, just write the top, the hiragana part. Okay, this will give you a little bit of confidence of saying and say the word, say the sentence 2 to 3 times. So that you learn faster. Okay, not only you, everybody. Hi, Sureva watashi no kasa desu. Imi nan desu ka? What is the meaning? Sureva watashi no kasa desu. That is.
That.
Hi.
Umbrella.
Umbrella, okay. Watashi no te nan desu ka? Kore nan desu ka? Watashi no.
That is mine. That umbrella is mine.
Yes, because that no particle has come, na? So सोरेवा,
Yes.
ती माझी छत्री आहे. ती छत्री माझी आहे. Now we are inverting the sentence. सोनो खासा वा वाताशी नो this. This way also it can come, right? So सोरे का सोनो हो जाएगा. So सोनो खासा वा वाताशी नो this. सोरे वा वाताशी नो खासा this. Meaning is the same. Everybody is getting? Hai, tsugi wa Ganadhish-san yomban yomimasu ka? Yomban kore? Kore? Yomimasu ka? Ashish-san yomimasu ka?
Kono khasa natoshi no deshu.
Kono khasa wa? Kono khasa
Kono
wa?
khasa wa natoshi no deshu.
Hai. Kore wa wa desu ne, wa. Watashi no desu.
Watashi no
Desu. Kono khasa wa watashi no desu. What is the meaning? Kono khasa wa watashi no desu. I said this sentence earlier when I was using sono khasa wa watashi no desu. Just what they have done, they have inverted. Here you can see khasa at the end and watashi in the between, in between. Here what is happening? Khasa is coming in between and watashi has gone at the end. So this is the way sentences are turned out. I mean, we also say like that in our languages. ये मेरा छाता है, ये छाता मेरा है. So just like that, kono khasa wa watashi no desu. Okay. Hai, tsugi wa reibun no ichiban. Now this is telephone kado. Hai, Kundan-san, yomimasu ka? Ichiban.
कोरे वा तेरे फोन सॉरी
Hai, telephone.
तेरे फोन का कादो देस का
Desu ka?
हाय सो देस
Hai, so this. So is this a telephone card? Yes, it is. Ho ahe. Yes, it is. Hai, tsugi wa niban Tayobba-san yomimasu ka?
それは
No to this. No to.
それはノートですか？いいえ。そしゃ、
So ja.
そうじゃありません。 ありません。手帳です。
Hai, hai. Sorry, no to desu ka? Is that a notebook? Ie, so ja arimasen. No, it's not a notebook. It's not that. Techo desu. It's a pocket diary, a small pocket diary wherein you write the phone numbers. So you have that small diary in hand. So it's not a notebook, it's a techo. Hai. Tsugi wa dare ga iimasu ka? Priya-san yomimasu ka? Samban. Subete wa hiragana desu. Subete no kotoba. The whole word is in hiragana, no katakana. So, daijoubu ne? Priya-san no nettowaku ga okay deshou ka? Okay desu ka? Priya-san no nettowaku. Is your network okay? You can say, or Priya-san is not replying. So anybody else who would like to read this simple sentence?
Sureva nan desu ka?
Hi.
Koreva noishi desu.
Hi. Meishi desu. Meishi.
Meishi desu.
Hi. Meishi is a business card. When you give your card, okay? Having all your details. So when you give your card, you say this is a meishi. Koreva meishi desu ne. Meishi janai. Koreva meishi. Again, we don't have this kanji. Forget the kanji. So, sore wanan desu ka? Kore wa meishi desu. Now, why kore sore? Opposite. It is understood that suppose one thing is in my hand. Huh? Now, somebody of you, Akhilesh-san and I are talking to each other. He's here in front of me. Now I have this Meshi in my hand. It is in my hand. So it is further from Akhilesh. It is little further from Akhilesh, the Meshi, right? And it is nearer to me. So that is why I assume to say, I say Kore ne. I say to the Meshi Kore. Whereas Akhilesh san will say Sore ne. Understood? That generally this is followed. Ki whenever a thing is further from one person, it is nearer to the other person. Understanding, everyone? Kore sore, kore sore. Like this, the conversation starts. Now, suppose if there is something on my desk, I pick it up and I ask my friend, what is this? Kore wa nan desu ka? My friend said, that is a card. Sore wa kado desu. From that side, my friend said, Sore wa kado desu. Sejal-san, sore wa kado desu ne? So, he will say sore ne? He will not say kore. Why? Because that card is away. It's little further from that person. Wakarimashita ka? Kore sore concept? Kore sore, kono sono. When two speakers are there, one will say in kore terms, one will say in sore terms. Same happens on telephone conversation also. If the person to whom I'm talking to, he's on phone, we are talking, and he asks me, how is the weather at your place? So, Soko wa do desu ka? That person asked me, how is it in Pune? Soko wa do desu ka? I will say, Koko wa ii tenki desu. The weather here is good. Ii desu ne? So, Koko wa ii tenki desu. What I used Koko, and that person used Soko. So, ko-so, it contradicts when two people are talking. Phone conversation or face-to-face conversation. Okay, so, sore wa nan desu ka? Kore wa meishi desu. Okay, Yomban, will Akhilesh-san read it? Yomimasu ka?
Kore wa kyo desu ka? Shichi desu ka? Kyo desu.
Kyo desu. So, is this 9 or is this 7? It's 9. Kore wa kyo desu ka? Shichi desu ka? Okay, Priya-san, no problem. Network is not good. Okay, go Ban. Anyone who wants to say? Apurva-san has not said yet. Hi, Apurva-san. Go Ban yomimasu ka?
Sore wa nan no
Hi.
zashi desu ka?
Hi. Sore wa nan no zashi desu ka? Okay. Further.
Jidosha zashi desu.
Hi. Jidosha no
zashi desu.
zashi desu. Can you explain me meaning of this, Apurva-san?
That
in English, little difficult, right?
yeah.
In Hindi, Marathi also you can use, no problem.
Nan
no. What is this nan no? Of what? This is a magazine of what?
So, what is meaning?
आता nan no. In Marathi, if I say, हे कसलं magazine आहे? Topic. What is the topic of that magazine? ठीक है? ये किस चीज का magazine है?
Okay.
It can be automobile magazine. It can be any kind of magazine, computer, etc., etc. I don't know. I'm just opening it and I'm just seeing the cover and I ask my friend, किस चीज का magazine है ये? कसलं magazine आहे? कसलं, that is nan no. किस चीज का? Write it down in your book. Nan no. So nan no zashi desu ka? It is a topic. It's a subject, a topic, anything. I cannot use it for people, huh? Whose book is this? I cannot say nan. That person is living being, no? For living being, we say dare. Only people, huh? Not for animals. If that house is of my cat, I cannot say dare, no. She is not dare. The cat is not dare. Only people will be dare. Dare, donata, etc. Whereas nan will come for things. Wakarimashita ka? So sorry, nan no zashi desu ka? वो किस चीज का magazine है? Jidosha no zashi desu. My friend said that is a car magazine, automobile magazine. Jidosha no zashi desu. कार का मैगजीन है, so इसलिए no has come. Wakarimashita ka? Ima Ganadish-san yomimasu ka? Rokuban? Okay, anybody else? Rokuban? Dareka imasu ka? Hi Ganadish.
Can you help me to read it?
It's Ganadish-san, right? Hi.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi. Okay, first is
Areho. Areva.
Areva. Hi.
Dareno.
Hi.
Kaban.
Hi.
Deska.
Very good. Areva dareno kaban desu ka? Okay. Further. Sato ne?
Sato. Sanno.
Hi.
Kaba deska. Kaban deska. Kaban des.
This. Hi.
Kaban
What is the
des.
question? Hi. You did it. So Areva dareno kaban desu ka? Whose bag is that? Sato-san no kaban desu. That is Sato's bag. Okay, one is a question, one is an answer. So answer, the intonation falls or it goes straight. Whereas when there is a ka, it rises, the intonation rises. Nan desu ka? Nan no kaban desu ka? So it goes in the high pitch. Whereas this goes straight. So Sato-san no kaban desu. Okay. Hi. Tsugi wa dare desu ka? Shichiban. Dareka yomimasu ka? I think Prajwal-san was trying to read Rokuban. Prajwal-san, you can continue with Shichiban. Number 7.
Kono kasawa anata no desu ka? Kono kasawa anata no desu ka? Iie. Watashi no ja
Arimasen.
arimasen.
Okay. I understand in the starting we have to turn pages and see the letters. So it's quite natural. So 1 month more. In 1 month you will have a total grip over hiragana and katakana. Not even 1 month. Just that you follow whatever we do in the class. Okay. You do the practice. You will not need to see the hiragana every now and then. Okay. So iie watashi no ja arimasen. Kono kasa wa anata no desu ka? Kono kasa wa anata no desu ka? Meaning, imi nan desu ka? If anybody else can understand the meaning and tell, you're welcome. Hi. Kono kasa wa anata no desu ka?
Is this umbrella yours?
Okay. Hi. Iie watashi no ja arimasen.
No, it is not mine.
Hi. Arigato, Shambi-san. So, is this umbrella yours? No, it is not mine. Okay. Hi, Hachiban. So, last sentence. Anybody?
Kano.
Hi.
Kono kagi wa dari no desu ka? Watashi no desu.
This. Ini, what is the meaning? Ini, kono. In English, you say this keys is whose. So, like this word to word in English. Whose key is this? Right? Kono kagi wa dare no desu ka? Hi konachi chavi ahe. Whose keys are these? It's one key or it's many key. We don't come to know. Huh? This is a limitation of Japanese. Plurals, you don't come to know whether it is a plural or it's singular. You have to mention that number. Then that person says, watashi no desu. Whose key is this? So that person is just saying maybe in the class, lost property, whose key is this? So that person says, hi, watashi no desu. Watashi no kagi desu. Hai. Kono yo na bun desu. Okay, everybody. Now, as you know, katakana you can discard. Katakana, just write this no to. Now you have practiced it. You can see the video and again see which word was this. Or if you don't come to know that word, just leave it blank. But other things you have to write. So today's shukudai is Rebun and Bunke. So this Bunke and this Rebun till number 8. Write it in your book. The sentences you write in your book. So till you don't get a grip of the language, hiragana, at least hiragana till now, you write Rebun and Bunke. It will help a lot. The moment you start writing this again and again, you come to know what letters are there. Okay? Practice will make it perfect. So Surevakyo no Shukudai this. Along with this Shukudai, I will give Getsuyobi Kayobi. I will type it in Nihongo and send it on the group. That also you have to copy down. Kuredake this. Okay, what about the homework that I had given last time? Some people have sent me the katakana. What about others? Kundan-san is okay. Even if you don't do, that's okay. Shambhavi-san, I don't know how much you know, but you can read katakana well. So I think you may discard that, but little bit, at least one line you must write. Akasatana, all of katakana. What about others? Others are all new, so you must know a little bit of practicing of katakanas. Otherwise, the stroke goes wrong. So if you have not completed last time's homework, please do that. Okay, this ka. So I think that is okay for today.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, kore de okay this daijobu desu. So we may continue on Monday with the second lesson. So second lesson, still we are doing the katakanas. It will go one more week for the katakana, the rules and everything. And slowly and gradually we can complete the lesson 4 maybe. So 3 and 4 also like this we will read the Rebun, the Bunke and the Kaiwa. And the exercise part we will keep for next to next week. So that by that time you would be able to identify katakana as well. So we are done with the 2 scripts. So by next to next week we can complete the exercises of all 4 lessons. And then we will go further. So first 4 lessons are easy. Grammar is almost done. Is not, was not. Just that we have to get a grip on the script. That's it. And then we can go further with actual grammar that will start. The adjectives, the verbs, the rule for those verbs. Then a lot of things are there. There are plain forms. There are formal forms. So all of these will start. The actual grammar will start. But by that time, particles and writing of the sentences that we will complete little. Okay, shall we stop here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so everybody is writing the sentences today till number 8. That is Rebun and Bunke of lesson number 2. That is your Shukudai. And Getsuyobi Kayobi. Just copy it down. Hi. So, minasan, otsukare-sama desu.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Okay.